How to change your Windows 10 PC password. I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Click on Start and type password. Then click on Change your password. Then click on Password, sign in with your account's password. Click on Change. Enter your current password here. Then enter your new password here. Hint is up to you. You can add hint or just leave it blank if you do not want to add. Then click on Finish. You've successfully changed your Windows 10 PC password. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.